What's going on, guys? It's the Forex Prince James here, back at it again with another one. And today's video is going to be an awesome video. Alright, I want to get into this video real deep, but I want to try to make it real brief as possible. But before I get into anything, let me do a quick disclaimer. Anything I show you here today is solely for educational purposes. Nothing I show you will make you $1 million, can make you $1 million, and nothing I say here is 100% accurate. Everything that you do in Forex trading is dependent on you and how much effort you put into the game. Alright, so if you put 200%, you're going to get 200% back. Alright, with saying that, let's dive into the video a little bit here. Alright, what I have up on the screen here is a way for you guys. I want to show you guys how to purchase my course. Alright, because you know it's just in case you're on Fiverr and you're browsing, you're looking for it and you can't find it. Alright, because I've got multiple emails saying it's not my course isn't ranking for what the words they're typing in. So sometimes you type in one word and it's gonna pop up 1,000 things with that word in it. It's gonna blind you out. So you have to type in the exact type of word in order what you're looking for in to get the type of gig or whatever in the search query. Alright, so if you see up in the search query here, I put learn Forex trading. Alright, see, with that you have to make sure that there is in your question. How do I learn Forex trading? Boom, and it's gonna pop up this stuff and it's gonna give up the query, and then you're gonna get a bunch of searches like this. Alright, now what I want to show you here is that mine is here. It's the third one from the top. You can hit online sellers and see where you are and where I am, but my name is basically Forex Prince 609 on there. Has my face, has my course details. You go ahead and click it and it takes you right to it. This video here explains my golden strategy and alert system for max profits. Alright, so that's that. This next one here shows you everything that you'll expect inside of the course. It's a 10-step course. Alright, and then this last picture is an additional bonus training that comes with that, and it's more stuff there. Alright, with that being shown, I got different packages. Like I said, here's the Forex course, beginner to advanced, the 10-step course. It might say one delivery here, but it's definitely instant, because all it is a link that I send to you, and you'll have access to the entire course. Alright, here's the golden strategy. That's an addition, $35 just for that. Or the Magic Genie package, which is basically the full course, the golden strategy and the alert system training, all for $65. So that's all here inside this. It's about the gig, and like I said, instant deliveries. It's course, it says it's mobile and desktop friendly. You choose a package, they all instant deliveries, and a little description, like I said, about the packages. Alright, there I am. Yep. So yeah, like I said, that's how you get to the course. So with that being said, let's dive right into the strategy here. Alright, just get that back there. Boom. So yep. Alright, so we're gonna head over to TradingView. If you don't have this app is available to you inside of the course. Have it there at the bottom. My members know where it is. It's because I have a little bit of training about it, so it's in there. But if you don't know, now you're going to know. We're going into my favorite pair. Comment down below if you remember what my favorite pair is, and tell me what yours is, and like the video. Also subscribe. If you get any gems from this video, subscribe. And if you learn something new today, like the video. You don't have to do both, but if you do, I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. You're a blessing. Alright, so let's get right into it. We're going right into my favorite pair, and that is the Euro USD. Alright, we in here with a couple of great indicators. Alright, and a few of these indicators I want to show you and explain with the settings that are all basic, so I don't really need to go over any settings for any of these. They're all basic. But I have this set on the 1 hour chart of the Euro USD. Alright, and the indicators at the bottom are the MACD and the RSI. I have the MACD inside of the RSI, and I have the RSI set for yellow, and I have the MACD and the signal line there, and I took the histogram off, so the MACD is green and the signal line is red. When the MACD crosses the signal line going up, let me zoom in here because I want to show you. Wait. There we go. The indicators, they're a nuisance. They're in the way. You gotta I do all my technical analysis on the laptop, but I check it and watch it from here. All right. So let's get this over with. Bam. When the green line, or maybe let me zoom in a little more, because maybe I don't want you to so you can't see. When the green line crosses the red line and it goes up, that's considered an uptrend and an upward motion movement. Alright? When it crosses, it's going down and selling motion movement. Okay? And you can test it every time. I'll get out and I'll show you with price. Zoom in here, let me blow price up a little bit. Boom. Cool. Alright. You see, we got a cross here on the moving average, and that's range. So you wait that out, let it come up a little bit, let the moving average open, and about here, with these yellow dots up here on the top, those are SAR dots. It's a standard period. Alright, with a moving average, a 200 moving average. So I would have got in, you would have held your trade, entered another range, and shot up. Boom. Easy got to be a good easy 1,000 pips. Let's look at that. Easy. 6343 to 7384. Almost 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips. You'd have just waited that out. You would have been gravy. Easy 1,000 pips. And then look, right behind you, you would have got your alert saying close trade here. Close trade here. Boom. Put your sell trade. Would have cost a quick 400 pips on a retracement. Alright. Would have got out when the RSI went into oversold territory. Here. Would have got out. See, whenever RSI is in oversold territory, it shoots up. Boom. And that's part of the alert. It's part of the confirmation to make that sure that the strategy is up. Alright. So let me just zoom. Let's do what I always do, so people can see that these are not hand picked. Wait a minute. These are not hand picked. You're gonna see, and that might be it. All right, a little bit more. All right, that's perfect. You see MACD. So MACD cross down here. Wait, let me zoom in. MACD crossing here. Alright. Once you got the cross with the MACD, it shot up. Boom. Look up top. It's all green up top. Would have got the cross from MACD here. Boom, you would have been in profit. Hold it down, hold it down. You would have waited till you got another cross. Boom, another cross here. Pips. Got your cross back in. Would you jump back in? And you would have rolled the motion to the trend. Boom, caught back in. Got a cross here. That was just to make sure it don't fake you. It don't take you out. This protects you. Boom. You just out your trade, and then you would have re-entered back at the cross. Boom. Shot up. We took all them profits. Closed. Or the closed trade here. And I would have just chilled for the day. Because realistically, these two jumps here were, let me see. It is the hour chart, so it took about 2 days to catch the up and downtrend. Sheesh. The downtrend lasted for 4 days. Then it started this uptrend. Oh man. I'm telling you, that's definitely the strategy there. I hope you enjoyed it. You can definitely use it on any strategy. Come down to the 15-minute, and you can see that it's also very profitable in the 15-minute. Come back some, come back some, come back some. Show you. Price crossed here. It crossed right here. Boom, you enter your range. You would have ruled it out. Boom, probably would have stopped out. But it would have been cool if you would have still stayed in your trade. Look like 150 sold pips. You gotta watch it. Like I said, 90%. Sometimes you had your losses. Boom. But you would have came back in and you would have picked back up on profits. Alright. Now I would have, as soon as I got the SNR, SAR dots up here, I would have got out my trade. That's the confirmation to get out the exit and start trades. These SNR dots for an uptrend. But you use the crosses with the SNR dot to confirm. See how it's a cross here happening, and the SNR dots is still going up. Boom. Downtrend. SNR dots flipped, and so did the MACD. Boom. Downtrend. Flip. You see? Confirmation. It's 90% accurate. Make some money with it. Let me know how it works for you. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, don't forget to check out my course over on Fiverr. Remember what I said, you have to type in learn Forex trading. Alright. Also, man, if you got a gem from this video, make sure you like this video. If you learned something today, make sure you make sure you subscribe. Alright. I want to tell you that the motto here is each one teach one. Alright, let's try to get that through everybody's head and try to get this all going. Like the video so the next person can get it. If you got a gem, let's help them get it. And don't forget about the course. All the links that you need are helpful, are also in the description below, so feel free to check those out. And don't forget to leave a comment below what was your favorite pair. Alright, what's your favorite pair, guys? Let me know what you like to trade, because maybe I can got a strategy on your video and help you formulate a trading strategy. So that's all for today. I hope I taught you enough about Forex trading. Continue to stay blessed. Many blessings. I appreciate you. I love you. Stay healthy, you guys, and try to stay away from all them congested areas with all this COVID going around. But God bless.